Does doing laundry get you a little stressful? I got something for you. You can create your little mommy or daddy stash like I do. The real trick is all you need is some detergent. I already purchased a small detergent. I have some shaving cream. You need some school glue. So you can take this out of your kid's book bag, or if you want to get some from the Dollar Tree like I did. I have extra glue here as well. Also, get you some containers so that you can save it. Like I mentioned, if you don't want to use your regular Tide, you can just purchase your one from the Dollar Tree and you can use that one. This is going to be one of the quickest slimes ever. Dump it all on in. We're going to give this one a good shake. You need about half of the amount of laundry detergent that you have in slime, but I would advise just adding in small amounts at a time. This is optional. You can add some shaving cream from your husband, or if you choose to buy some for your mommy stash. And this is going to make it really fluffy and a great smell as well. As you see, it's still a little bit sticky to my spoon, so I'm just going to add in very small amounts until we can get rid of that stickiness. You do have to knead it so it can get used to your hands, as my daughter would say. One more tip, if slime is getting a little bit too sticky for you, if you have some baking soda in your laundry room, you can certainly use that and place it on your hands, or you can use some more shaving cream. Squirt that in, and this will also help. Fresh. No one will ever know that you're in here making slime. Your kids won't even know. This can be a 2 or 3 ingredient slime. Now I can have the relaxation of playing with this slime, thinking of what I got to do for the rest of my day. You can add some lavender essential oils or any sort of essential oil of your liking. And now you have a slime that you can use that smells just like laundry. So when you hide out in your laundry room to do laundry next week or the next time, there you go. You can play with this and enjoy your meditation, your stress-free, your affirmations, or whatever you need to do.